Hey guys, if you're anything like me, your inbox probably kind of rules your life. I know I check my email about 30 times a day, which is arguably a little bit unhealthy. But, anyways, when it comes to running my e commerce business, I used to always wish that I could just tell Shopify to send me like a daily snapshot email that would outline the performance of my store for the last day. But unfortunately, in Shopify's reporting feature, they just don't have any automated customizable emails like this that you can set up for your e commerce business. So eventually, I got pretty frustrated with this and some other issues that I see with Shopify. So I decided to build an app that allows me to run automatic reports for my e commerce business, among other things. Now, my background is in software, so in addition to running my Shopify stores, and so I figured, why not just build an app that solves some of the problems that I see with Shopify? So I call the app Boardroom, and I'm basically giving it away at this point, by the way. So let me show you how this reporting feature works in Boardroom. It's super easy. So I just switched over here and I'm logged in and I'm looking at our KPIs page, which is kind of cool. It kind of aggregates data from my Facebook and Google ads and my Shopify stores and calculates my most important metrics, which is what you're seeing here on the screen. We have these kind of cool data visualization tools, so I can see how things are trending over time in a chart, and I can filter down by key criteria like product and product type and product tag, etc. But in this video, I wanted to show you how you can use Boardroom to create scheduled automatic reports. So to do that, again, it's super easy. I just click Create Scheduled Report, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in this really simple form here. So let's say I wanted to create a weekly business report. I'm gonna give it a name here. I'm gonna choose who should get this report. So I can put, my own email address in here, and then I can also add other email addresses in this field if I have like a team that I wanted to distribute this report to. It's kind of useful for that. Next, I'm going to choose the time frame for the calculation. So if I want this to be like a monthly report or a weekly report, I can choose the correct time period here. So if this is a weekly business report, I would choose last 7 days, and it's going to show me the last 7 days of business data for this report. Now, Boardroom lets you sync multiple Shopify stores into the same dashboard. So here I can choose to report on all of my stores or zero in on one specific store if I wanted to. Next, I'm going to choose the metrics to be included in the report. For now, we only have these 6 metrics here: revenue, expenses, net profit, orders, units sold, and average order value. Pretty comprehensive, I would say, but I think there are definitely some other metrics that we could throw into the mix to make this report more comprehensive and kind of format it a little bit differently. So in the future, we're going to be rolling out that stuff, and by the time you're watching this, we might have already expanded the reporting capabilities here. But if I scroll down, the final step is to choose when this report should be sent. So let's say, for example, I wanted to send it on Monday morning. And then I'm going to slide this over here so I can show you that I can also make this report recurring if I want to. So since this is a weekly report, I can set the recurrence to weekly. And then Boardroom is now going to send me this weekly report every Monday showing me the last week's data across all of these 6 metrics and how it was trending over time. So that's really the last step. I think the only thing I have to do now is click Schedule Send. And boom, that report has now been created and scheduled to go out on Monday morning and every week after that. So Boardroom is my first Shopify app. Again, I'm practically giving it away at the price point that I'm charging for it right now. But the app does a ton of other cool stuff and kind of patches up the holes that I see in Shopify as I use it as a real Shopify brand owner. So you can try it out for free using the link in the description. And be sure to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay in the loop about the other cool stuff that we're building here at Boardroom. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I'm Charlie from Boardroom. Thank you very much for watching.